Revenue, net income, what do those words really mean? In this video, I'll break down for you what these terms mean and how you're able to use them when you research stocks. So let's do this. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. This channel is all about investing, how stocks work, and how you are able to be a great investor. In today's video, I want to break down for you exactly what is revenue and what is net income when it comes to a stock. At the end of this video, I'll share with you which is the highest net income for the year 2020 and which one had the highest revenue in the year 2020 as well. So stick around. Exactly what is the definition of revenue and net income? Revenue is the total sales for a company. This can often be broken down by quarter, last 6 months, a year, 5 years. It's all the money a business brings in from all of its services and hardware it sells and all the different things that it does in investing. Net income is simply revenue minus total expenses. Essentially, what money is left in the bank for that company. Don't you feel like you'll better understand the language of CNBC now? Where do we find these really large numbers in the apps and the websites we visit? Here, let me show you where we find them. I don't want you to have to spend hours like I did finding these numbers. I want you to be able to whiz around and find them exactly when you need them. Webull is such a great trading app. Their charts and their numbers look really great in this app. Easy to navigate and really easy to execute. So right now, Webull is giving a free stock when you open up an account and deposit $100 or more into there, and you could win one free stock valued between $250 all the way up to $250. So be sure to check out the link below, and let's get back to today's topic. Why is it important to know about revenue and net income? Let's give you an example. Let's say Johnny is selling cookies every year, but he sells the same cookies to the same people the same amount every year. It's not growing. So all the sales that Johnny is making to those people, that's his revenue. Obviously, you'd want Johnny to increase his sales over the years as he gets better and better. Net income is the money he has left over after he's paid all the expenses for his buddies helping him out, the cost of making the cookies, all the equipment, the wagon that he uses to move the cookies around with. These two numbers are updated on a quarterly basis, and this simply means every 3 months. Man, 3 months is a really long time, isn't it, nowadays? But this is something that a company does and files with the SEC every 3 months. Investors put a lot of importance on these two numbers. So much so that they base their trading strategies on these numbers and the movement of them. They want to see a consistent growth in both revenue and net income. And if investors don't see that, then the stock price could take a big hit. In order for a company to survive, they're going to need to have net income at the end of the year. There are exceptions to this rule, such as airlines and banks. When they get so large, they're essential to the economy. A good rule of thumb is to stick with companies that have net income and growing revenue each year. You want to look at their quarterly earnings as well and make sure those are increasing and that they're not losing money at the end of the year with their net income and not booking a loss. Speaking of thumbs, hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video so far so that you can get more great content like this. Businesses are like a money machine. They should be printing money as the years go on. If they aren't, then there's big problems, and you should be looking more closely at those stocks to see why are they not having a good net income at the end of the year. Here's an analogy for you. Revenue and net income is very much like your paycheck and the expenses you have every single month. think of rent, your auto, your food, entertainment. How much money do you have at the end of the month? It's time to reveal which stock had the most revenue in 2020. It is Walmart. Walmart had $559 billion in revenue. They are a domestic and international shopping retail stores. Their net income was $13.5 billion. This means that they are not the stock with the best net income last year. Can you guess which one it is? It's Apple. Apple had $57.4 billion in net income after all expenses. Can you believe that? That's just incredible. Their total revenue was $274.5 billion, far less than Walmart's. Here's a tip. Make sure to look at charts on a yearly time frame. This will give you a broader understanding of the trend for that business. Make sure that the net income is closer relative to their revenue. This will make sure that they are able to stay ahead of their competition and thrive during the hard times. If you like this video, again, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this, and I hope that this video has helped you understand how stocks work just a little bit more, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.